In today's episode, we are reviewing Jonathan's Kitchen, which has successfully completed 8 years of operations. It is located in Fairfield by Marriott, Financial District, Hyderabad. The ambience of the restaurant is very trendily done and looks extremely contemporary, yet has that classy feel with lots of wooden panels and high ceiling. The well-lit and airy interiors are very intriguing and welcoming. I believe this is by far one of the largest restaurants in the city. There is a nice little tree with surround seating, which is very elegantly done and most would find it attractive. The restaurant offers Indian, Italian, Thai, Japanese and American cuisines. I guess this is one of those unique restaurants that bring in so many variations under one single roof. I began with the green apple carpaccio salad, which was very refreshing with thinly sliced green apple and assorted lettuce, done with my most favorite lemon mustard dressing. The crunchiness of the lettuce complemented the silkiness of the feta cheese. This healthy, citrusy salad also had roasted flax seeds and caramelized walnuts. It tasted fantastic. My beginning was absolutely spot on with the right balance of flavors and taste. I have a soft corner for sushi. The chicken teriyaki sushi was perfect to my palate with fresh avocados, chicken, bell peppers, zucchini, served with dark soya, pickled ginger and wasabi. It was done marvelously and I must say one of the finest sushi in town. The making of the sushi is an art form. It involves a lot of skill to finish it from start to end in less than a minute so that the sushi is slightly warm the way it is supposed to be. What caught my attention was their Primavera pizza that comes with marinara sauce on a thin crust base topped with mushrooms, peppers, zucchini, broccoli and the right amount of cheese. This pizza was airy, light and had a right amount of crunchiness to it. All in all, it was a good pizza experience. The meat in the Nalli Rogan Josh was simply sliding off the bone. When paired with the garlic naan, it tasted brilliant. The quality of the grilled chicken in the Thai chicken ramen was spot on with brilliantly aromatic chicken stock to go with it. The blackened coating on the salmon comes from the Cajun seasoning, which is quite spicy but delicious. The fried pomfret was a burst of Asian flavors. Lastly, I really had no space left in my tummy to try out any other desserts, but their lip-smacking desserts menu, which is absolutely enticing, and I could not miss my favorite tiramisu with chocolate wrap and brownie chocolate pastry, both of which were sinfully delicious. I am thoroughly satisfied with the service and the amazing dishes that kept pouring onto my table from the kitchen. I wholeheartedly appreciate Chef Vijay Bhaskar and his whole team for delivering such amazing dishes which are truly inspiring and brilliant to taste. Do try and let me know. Until next time, happy dining. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye-bye.